All right, quick pause before you scroll. You know that quiet frustration when your laptop almost keeps up, but never fully gets there. That's the exact moment this enters your life. This is the Radiant 60. This is built for the kind of person who takes performance personally. Not chasing bragging rights. Chasing that locked-in feeling where everything responds instantly and nothing pulls you out of the zone. You've already outgrown good enough, even if you haven't said it out loud yet. Do yourself a favor and check the current price and stock right now. Laptops like this don't stay predictable for long, and hesitation usually costs more later. There's always a moment when the upgrade becomes unavoidable. Maybe your old system started dropping frames the second things got intense. Maybe multitasking turned into a stutter fest. Or maybe you just felt that lag between intention and action. That's when you realize you read uncompromising. The first thing you notice after switching is relief. No fan panic. No waiting. No mental math about what you can or can't run. You just open what you want and it moves with you. That confidence changes how you play, how you work, how long you stay focused. Picture long gaming sessions where motion feels glued to your hands. Fast shooters feel absurdly smooth, not because of numbers, but because everything flows without resistance. Editing timelines scrub cleanly. Multitasking doesn't feel like a gamble anymore. Even late-night binge sessions hit differently when the screen feels this sharp and fluid. Once you feel performance at this level, going back feels impossible. That's why you shouldn't wait for stock swings or those annoying price jumps that show up out of nowhere. This is one of those decisions that rewards timing. You might be thinking it sounds like overkill, but here's the truth. Power stops being stressful when it's controlled. The cooling holds steady. The system stays composed. Instead of managing your laptop, you just use it. Here's the unexpected benefit most people don't talk about. Your posture changes. You lean in. You stay engaged longer. Because nothing interrupts the experience, your focus stretches without effort. Owning something like this gives you a quiet pride. Not flashy, just solid. You know you chose something built to be pushed, not babied. Movement feels unbelievably smooth. Heavy tasks stay effortless. Visuals pull you fully in. Sessions last longer without fatigue. Performance finally feels stable. It's not lightweight. You'll notice the power draw eventually. You stop comparing and realize you were already mentally committed. Don't let this become that upgrade you keep postponing and thinking about every time your system slows you down. Check the availability, trust the instinct that brought you here, and move forward. Once you experience this level of control, settling again won't even cross your mind.